Yep.
We're here too, Jason.
Yep.
They're everywhere.
You can take
Look,
a
there's
threaded
two more
bolt.
behind you right there.
Right
that
here.
rock.
Zena,
You
come
can
here.
take a threaded bolt and stick it in the ground about that deep. Take your hammer and that metal on it and rub up and down it and they'll just come out of the ground.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah.
There's another going.
Zena, come on. Get out of there. There's too many bugs over there for you.
I actually do want to see grass snakes though.
Or what?
Grass snakes.
You could do it.
All right, guys, round two. We got the post re-cemented in, got everything wired up, ready to go. We're gonna go hook the Duramax to it, give it a pull, and fingers crossed.
Hi.
Okay, one thing that we didn't show is my truck is way in the background, and it's hooked up to a tow strap, which is in return hooked up to this fence. And as you can see, as I pull, it makes this fence tight, which stands it up. That's how you stretch the fence. And so we get it nice and tight, and then we'll go through and we'll put clips around each one of these metal stakes, and then around the fencing, and then that's what will hold the fence up.
Fence is up.
Oh, I'm so happy that worked that time.
Good job, Ben.
I couldn't take the embarrassment of it not working a second time. So, fence is good and tight. It's yeah, it's good. It worked out good. Yeah. Everybody came and help out. My dad, Raquel. We got Chase in the background. Brother Keith. Couldn't do it without you guys. All right, so we're out here at the property, and Thomas from Texarkana Tractor, if you ever watch this, man, I really do appreciate you. Thank you. So we got our water meter today, so I gotta go over here. I'll show you guys. That's our neighbor's water meter that just happens to be on our side. I thought it was ours, but it's not. So they came out today to put us in a water meter. So this is the new meter that they dug today, and I'm gonna trench a line from the corner of the barn straight over to this guy right here. So I'm gonna use the mini excavator. Of course, it's a Kubota. Before you professional excavator operators start hitting me up in the comments, let me say in my defense, I have never ran an excavator, and later on I learned to put the front blade down and it would stabilize it and it wouldn't be so jumpy. So what you're seeing here is I literally just sat down. The guy that dropped it off gave me like a 30-second speed course on how to operate it. So this is all very new to me. That was my first scoop of dirt I ever did with this machine, and as you see, I get better as time goes on, but yeah, I'm a noob. Alright guys, so we're finishing up today here at the property. We got our water meter put in today, like you guys heard about. Yep, super stoked on that. And then we got a tractor or excavator, Kubota. So this is the trench that we have dug so far. I had to stop obviously right here because if I keep going, then we're not going to be able to drive out that gate. We're gonna have to go all the way up the front gate, and it is super muddy, so I'm trying to avoid that. I also took out a couple stumps while I was finishing up here. So I got the trench dug there, and obviously I stopped here so we could drive through and dug the trench up that way. So I don't know, I'm not sure how many feet that is, but it's quite a bit. Also dug a stump out that was here. And then I pulled this bar out. They have these bars for the fences, and they are super heavy, and they are a pain to get out. So that was good that I got that out. Now tomorrow, we're gonna come through, dig up all these stumps, and then there's a lot that needs to be done. Stumps over there, stuff back there. So with this, I'll be able to do a lot of cleanup. This tractor, this Kubota tractor, is a it's the MX71-3, the Super Series, and I've never operated one of these, and I hopped right on it, and you know, it didn't take me no time. It was so simple to use. Kubota really makes some good stuff. Here's another stump that I took out here, and then you guys could see back there that little bush, that was another small stump that was there in the middle of the yard. And then I this had a hill on it because there's a ditch that formed right there from the rain, so I just pulled that hill out. And so yeah, we're getting there, but we're gonna call it quits for today. We are tired, and it's a little after 7 here, so we're gonna get home and cook some chicken. Or get home, I say get home, but to the RV park. Huh, babe? Alright guys, we are signing out.
Peace.
Say bye, Zena.
Say bye.
Come here. Say bye, guys. Sit. Come on. Sit. Shake. Say bye.